what are we making today?
We're making vegan donuts. And I already mixed the dries together right here.
So what's in here?
We have 2 cups of flour, 1.5 cup of sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 2 teaspoons of baking powder as well. And then right now we doing the wets, which we supposed to pot stir for like the wets all together. The 1/4 of vegan butter, the 1/2 cup of soy milk, and 1/4 of vegan vanilla extract, and 2 teaspoons of oil. So Angela's helping me, of course. So let me get the 1/4 cup of vanilla extract, which would be
1/4 teaspoon, you mean?
Yeah, 1/4 teaspoon. In there. What else? I already put the butter in there, so we're gonna need the 1.5 cup of soy milk. 1.5 cup where we at? 1.5 cup right here. I already ran out of that milk. Soy milk. Real quick. Alright, so let me grab the other one. Before it gets too hot. There we go. Add that in there.
Okay.
Right. Then we add the 2 tablespoons of canola oil. Alright.
We're using the rest of this one, but I did buy a new one that's heart healthy, better, you know.
Oh, for real?
Yep.
Alright, so it says tablespoon, so I have 1 tablespoon here, but I'll just do 2. Mixing the dries together, and then we're gonna add the wet to dry. So I'm adding the 2 tablespoons of canola oil, so that's 1, and I will add another one. It's very quick and easy, so you won't have to go all the trouble making these donuts. All right. Let's see. Grab that. And now you don't need to cook it too much. You just need it warm enough to add to the dry, so we make a little hole for it right in the middle.
Make sure you mix it good, because that was only...
Okay, so yeah. Let me get in there. Alright. Mix it in there real good. Whip it, whip it, whip it, whip it. Alright. So make a little hole right in there. And then we're gonna add the wet to the dry. Alright, all this stuff. Yeah, I think I got everything. Alright, now you could add nutmeg to the dries if you want to add a little taste, but we ain't got nutmeg right now. It's not really a necessity. Alright. So we're gonna use the little whisker, or we can hand knead it if you want.
It's easy enough, yeah, to do it with the hand.
So we'll add the wet to the dry right in the middle. Boom, boom, boom. We'll whisk everything. Boom, 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 boom. Mixing there good.
Oh, maybe we should have used the machine.
Yeah, maybe.
We'll be right back.
Alright, so we're gonna add the wet and dry together to the bowl. That way we can squeeze it into the donut pan. So we're gonna bake it, not fry it. That way it'll be healthier. So it's probably good for right now. I'm gonna go crazy.
This is a trick that I found online that makes it less messy and easier to just stick it in there. And then you just cut the tip with the scissors. Cut the tip before all the thing goes to the bottom, babe. Yeah.
So you cut the tip.
And you just use, I bought these at Walmart. And you it's like the frosting things. And you just.
So we're gonna put it in there. So you're not supposed to fill it too much all the way to the top. You're supposed to give a little space to the top. Like smooth it out, maybe. That's probably good. Alright, smooth it out. There we go. Alright. Yeah. Now you can make it by hand if you want to, by like putting on a sheet and just putting a hole in it manually, but this is way easier. Save you a whole lot of trouble. But the tricky part is squeezing it. Okay, there we go. So now we smooth that out a little bit. So don't go too high. Ran out. Alright, the cup again. Fill it again. Yeah, it's pretty messy, so yeah, we doing it we trying to do it the non-messy way. And it's still pretty messy. Go. Alright. Fun to do with your family, especially the kids, making it all together. That should be good now. Alright. Alright, so this is the first batch. You see how it come out. So you preheat the oven to 375 and then you let it bake for about 10, 12, 15 minutes. I say eyeball it around 10 minutes and just make sure you don't over bake it. Alright, so in order to make the icing for when it's done, that way you can dip the donuts in there, give it that glazed donut taste. So you add about, two cups of powdered sugar. So this is about the last of it. What we have should be about 2 cups, and then you want to add 1/3 cup of plant-based milk. You can we're using soy milk. You can do almond milk if you want to, or any type of plant-based milk. But we like soy milk, so that's what we're using. I already added the 1/3, so we just need to whisk it now. Look at that icy look. So icy. Out after 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes, you let it cool down until they're about warm. I would say wait. Don't hit the icing on it until it cool down, because if it's hot, and it won't settle as well. So after a little while, we'll dip it in the icing. The icing, we did. Oh, you already explained that, huh?
Yeah. And you guys, these are awesome. Like, this is the brand I've been buying. My friend Dana is the one that told me about them when I first was gonna make homemade cupcakes for Arya's birthday party. I bought that same brand, and then I bought this one too. The cookie sheet is Wilton as well.
Yeah, non-stick. If you don't have the non-stick, if you got the regular one, we suggest oiling it with some canola oil or coconut oil,
butter,
vegan butter if you want to. That way it don't stick. If you don't have the non-stick one, it works just as well.
But those literally came straight out. Like, there's nothing stuck to the pan.
Less troublesome. You just
oh, babe, the other ones.
Oh, the other ones, yeah, before they overcook.
Because we put them in just a little bit after.
Yeah, so usually it's about 10 minutes. Like, you don't have to let this in there. Okay, so we let it cool till it was warm. So we just dip in the whole donut in there. That way it has the whole little glazed donut taste and look. You could do one side, but I don't think it'll taste as good instead of doing the whole thing. There you go. Yeah, it's like a donut shop, a real donut shop, but at home. Quick and easy recipe, you know what I'm saying? I think it was only, what, like 7 ingredients? 10 minutes. Prep time is only, what, 5-10 minutes? Ain't that big of a deal. So even if you lazy, you can make these too.
Like him.
Yeah, because I'm pretty lazy. I usually let my woman and daughters cook for me. So I'm trying to help here and there, you know. I don't be complete lazy bum. But yeah, you try to work as a family. Lazy family. Alright, so yeah, I usually leave the bacon to Angela and Jordan. So it's like my first time, so we'll see how it goes, considering it's my first time. I'm usually more of a cooker than a baker, but we'll see. If you miss a nutmeg, nutmeg will make it taste better too. Like, so if you have nutmeg, just add it to the wet ingredients. Still should be good, you know. The powdered sugar should make it taste good, just with the soy milk or whatever plant-based milk you like the taste of. Almost done. So last one. Man, it looks like it too, like that glazed on this.
You left no room for that one.
See it.
Alright.
Let it sit cool for a little bit. And then it'll be done.
Let's try it.
Alright. It's not bad.
He did okay for his first time. Mmm, look good.
That's good. Yeah, see, I think even nutmeg would have made it taste even better, but still good.
Quit smacking.
But
I wish I could give all of you some. Sorry. It's good.
And then you can do your own like toppings, like you can do cinnamon,
sprinkles. I wanted to do chocolate, but next time.
Pumpkin spice, you name it. Yeah, that's pretty good.
It is really good.
And I'm not even a baker, man.
Okay. Check us out.
Alright, pleasant family and friends. So comment, like, subscribe. What you want to see next. If you actually did this recipe, tell us how it went, how it tastes.